We're officially in the blizzard zone.
We are, and you can see these winds are still cranking. We're gusting to 52 miles per hour in Boston right now. I am suspecting that our equipment may have failed in Chatham and Nantucket because we didn't just suddenly shut the wind off in these locations. These are spots that have gusted over 70 miles per hour. But what you need to become an official blizzard, as we have done in many areas, is a quarter-mile visibility or less and wind gusts or sustained winds of 35 miles per hour for 3 consecutive hours. And we have met that criteria in all of these locations that you see on this map. So yes, in Boston and in Worcester, but Norwood and Bedford and Beverly and Hyannis and Chatham and Falmouth, you get the idea. A lot of spots. It has been a mess over the past several hours, and the snow continues to fly. Interesting, when you look at this map, you can see the darker blues with the heaviest snow bands here in southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island, which is closing in on 2 feet of snow right now in many locations. That extends up through Boston and the North Shore. But then you see how we go to this lighter white color and then kind of a little snow hole here over parts of Connecticut. Then you get back into another band of heavier snow. Oftentimes you can see that with sinking air between 2 bands of heavier snow where the air is rising. We call that subsidence. So we are still looking at intense snow bands here for the next several hours through at least 11 o'clock or noontime before the intensity of the snow ramps down. So we've got a few more hours with this yet. This map right here depicts that pretty clearly as you go toward at 11 o'clock this morning. Still looking at the most intense snow here in southeastern Massachusetts through Boston and up through the North Shore. And then that little bit of a lull getting into Worcester County with that little dry slot here. And then another snow band off to the north and west. But you can see how everything starts to come down a little bit with the intensity lessening by mid-afternoon and then finally diminishing lastly on the coast here as we go into late this afternoon and this evening. So this is how we're going to pile up 1 to 2 feet of snow, 12 to 18 inches north and west of Boston, but 18 to 24 in a widespread area southeastern Massachusetts. And I think a lot of Rhode Island will end up closer to 30 inches of snow with some of those really intense bands of snow that we have seen so far. We did also have some thunder snow earlier this morning, Katie. It was pretty incredible.
Yeah, definitely.